So, welcome to the interesting part of this video where we are manipulating the Foley samples, and I'm going to show you how to do that by dissecting this sound, which actually is the wood I just threw in my garden. The whole sample is sounding like this. Can you remember? Do you recognize it? Not anymore, really. Let's do this step by step. First of all, I killed the low end. I don't know why this is here. Then I vocoded it, and the reason I vocoded it is that I wanted to have more high end, and I could do that by vocoding the sound with just white noise. But keep in mind that I have the release all the way down, otherwise it just gets fuzzy. You don't want that. Next thing is corpus, also with a very small decay. Crazy little detail, I rolled with it. I like the sound. Makes it a little bit more tonal. The most important thing right now is simple delay. You can make any sound a jump up sound. Just whack mono, simple delay on it. Play with the delay time, the feedback, and the dry and wet, and you will be pleasantly surprised. Already gets gritty. Then just for the tail, a little bit of reverb. But this is more like a headphone thing. And then I'm adding white noise, high frequencies back in with overdrive. Works perfectly fine every time. And then I'm just giving it more cojones by blowing it into the soft clip. Then it's just a matter of arranging, rearranging, cutting up, chopping up. Just experiment, have fun with it. This could make a nice little transition effect into the next bar. That's the filth you guys want, right? Play with the formant. delay time. Arrange this shit and have fun with it. Oh, another thing, play with the warp mode. Time stretch it. Use AutoPan to create more space. I confess this sounded shitty, but you know what I mean. You get the point. You can use anything you want, just be creative. Know your plugins. You don't need expensive shit. Fuck just with the Ableton one till you become a master. Then you can use some fabulous fancy shit.